Moody. Moody. An adjective used to describe a person who behaves differently every time you meet them. Nina is very moody. Yesterday she said hello, today she just ignored me. Neat. Neat. Person who is very tidy. My little sister is a very neat girl. Her room is always tidy. Lucky. Lucky. Someone who often has good fortune. My brother is very lucky. He always wins prizes in competitions. Lazy. Lazy. An inactive person who avoids work. Pete is lazy boy. He rarely gets out of bed before mid-afternoon. Easygoing. Someone who is easy to get along with. My husband is very easygoing. He has lots of acquaintances. Artistic. Artistic. Someone who is good at especially painting and drawing. Jennifer is very artistic. She is really good at drawing. Bigheaded. Bigheaded. Someone with a very high opinions about themselves. Simon is a bit of big-headed. He thinks more of himself than others do. Adventurous. Adventurous. Eager to try out new experiences, methods, or ideas. I was very adventurous when I was early 20s. Amiable. Amiable. Someone who displays very pleasant, friendly behavior. George is an amiable human being. He always greets everyone enthusiastically. Brave. Brave. Used to describe a person who is courageous and fearless. He is a brave man. He is always ready to rescue people who are in danger. Bright. Bright. Someone who is sharp, quick-witted, and clever. Our daughter is really bright in her studies. Cheerful. Cheerful. Person who is happy and smiles a lot. She seems very happy. She is very cheerful girl. Creative. Creative. Person who is very good at designing and making things. I like her creative thinking. Frank. Frank. One who is honest and direct in what they say. Pablo would never tell a lie. In fact, he is very frank. Loyal. Loyal. One who always supports friends. John has always stood by me as a friend. He is very loyal friend. Childish. Childish. Someone who is immature and silly. She has a childish face. Charismatic. Charismatic. Having a lot of charm and charisma. I love her charismatic look. Compassionate. Compassionate. Feeling or showing sympathy for others. He has a compassionate heart that offers hope to the people. Humble. Humble. Not having or showing any feeling of superiority. Despite his success, he remains a humble person. Radiant. Radiant. Bright and shining, full of happiness. The bride was radiant on her wedding.